The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Fraction Division without Conversion into Decimals. Example, 455 11 by 18 divided by 32 7 by 9. Let us change the fractions into improper fractions. Here, multiply the whole number of the fraction 455 with the denominator of the first fraction 18. You can treat this as a separate multiplication problem and multiply, and the multiplied value becomes 8190. Now we have to add the numerator 11 with this, and the improper fraction becomes 8201 divided by 18. Now let us take the second fraction 32 7 by 9. In order to convert this into an improper fraction, multiply 32 with 9, which is 288. Add the numerator 7 with this value, which makes it 295, and therefore the improper fraction is 295 by 9. You will get the improper fractions as 8201 by 18 and 295 by 9. Here the improper fraction 8201 divided by 18 is the dividend, and 295 by 9 is the divisor. Now let us invert the divisor, then 295 by 9 will appear as 9 divided by 295. Now consider 8201 divided by 18 and 9 divided by 295 as a new pair of fractions, and apply the multiplication rules. Before multiplying, let us explore the possibility of cancellation. There is a common divisor 9 between the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction. When we use the cancellation, the first fraction becomes 8201 and the second fraction becomes 1 by 295, and multiplication of them gives 8201 divided by 590. Now let us set the dividend 8201 in the extreme right of the abacus and set the divisor 590 in the left extreme of the abacus. Let us take the highest digit of the dividend 8 and highest digit of the divisor 5. As 5 is less than 8, the quotient should be set by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. Here let us set 1 as the quotient. Now multiply 1 with 590 and subtract the same from 820. For subtracting 5 from 8, clear 5 in the upper abacus. To subtract 9 from 2, reduce 1 in the thousands column and add 1 in the hundreds column. The remaining value is 2301. Let us take the highest digit of the dividend 2 and the highest digit of the divisor 5. As 5 is smaller than 2, let us take 23. as there are 4 5s in 23, reduce 1 and set 3 as the assumed quotient and set it to the right of the quotient 1. Multiply 3 with 590, that is 1770, and subtract the same from 2301, that is subtract 1 from 2. For subtracting 7 from 3, we have to subtract 1 in the thousands column and add 3 in the hundreds column. That is, we have to add 5 in the upper abacus and clear 2 in the lower abacus. For subtracting 7 in the tens column, clear 1 in the hundreds column and add 3 in the tens column. Finally, subtract 0 from 1 and the remainder is 531. The result is 13 as the whole number and 531 divided by 590 as the fraction part. We can leave it as there is no common divisor between 531 and 590. Therefore, the result is 13,531 by 590.